If you have a child, grandchild, or are expecting a baby soon, stop whatever you're doing and listen closely. As of July 4th, 2026, the U.S. government officially launched a program handing out $1,000 in free seed money. This isn't a scam or a tax loophole you have to wait until you're 65 to see. It's called Trump accounts. But the government isn't just mailing a check to your house. You have to know the exact steps to claim it today. I'll show you how this money is automatically invested into the stock market through Robinhood as the initial brokerage. And how that single $1,000 could snowball into an estimated $308,800 by the time your child turns 18. If you want to set your child up for a lifetime of financial freedom, you absolutely cannot afford to miss this video. I'll break down eligibility, hidden billionaire donations, and the exact IRS forms you need. Hit subscribe, and let's get paid. Let's get straight to the facts. Raising a family is incredibly expensive right now, and Gen Z is terrified about retirement. With Social Security trust funds projected to run out of money by 2032, the government created a new generational wealth tool. Authorized under the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, Trump accounts officially went live to the public on July 4th, 2026. Over 6 million Americans have already signed up for this tax-advantaged savings and investment account designed specifically for young children. So, who gets the free $1,000 from the Treasury? Rule number 1. Your child must be a U.S. citizen. Rule number 2. They must have a valid Social Security number. And rule number 3 is the most specific. They must be born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028. But what if your kid is older? Any child under the age of 18 can have a Trump account open today. They just miss the government's specific seed money. But you still want to open it immediately because some of the wealthiest billionaires in the world are stepping in to help. Private donors and philanthropists are actively funneling cash into these accounts for older kids right now. Michael and Susan Dell are donating a staggering $6.25 billion to this program across qualifying zip codes. If your child is 10 or younger, they could receive $250 in free seed money directly from the Dell Foundation. Hedge fund billionaire Dalio pledged $75 million specifically for kids under 10 in the state of Connecticut. Investor Brad Gerstner is throwing in $250 for every single eligible child under 5 in the state of Indiana. Don't leave this free money on the table. And if you're a working parent, check your employee benefits packages. Corporations like Uber, IBM, Intel, NVIDIA, and Steak and Shake are adding Trump account contributions to their employee benefits. So, where does this money actually go? It's not sitting in a low-yield savings account losing value to inflation. The U.S. Treasury partnered with Robinhood, which acts as the initial brokerage and trustee for these child accounts. Robinhood's goal is to open the door to the greatest wealth creation vehicle in the world, the U.S. capital markets. Initial contributions are automatically poured directly into the State Street SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 ETF. This means your newborn child instantly becomes a partial owner of the 500 largest, most profitable companies in America. In the coming months, the Treasury will also open up options for low-cost index funds from Vanguard and iShares. The government and Robinhood put this on autopilot, letting historic S&P 500 growth do all the heavy lifting for you. Let's look at the math, because this is where a $1,000 handout turns into life-changing generational wealth. The Council of Economic Advisors says if you get the $1,000 and never touch it again, with zero extra effort, that money is projected to grow to about $5,800 by the time your child turns 18. But what if you contribute? Families can legally contribute up to $5,000 per year into a Trump account. Parents can put up to $2,500 annually in pre-tax income, meaning it lowers your tax bill today If you hit that $5,000 annual contribution limit every year, estimates show it reaches an astonishing $308,800 by age 18. Over $300,000 by high school graduation? And Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent pointed out an even crazier statistic. If left alone until retirement age, presuming historical growth, it could compound to nearly $674,000. Of course, there are rules. The government won't let you withdraw this money to pay for a new car or summer camp. Rule number 1. Withdrawals are strictly prohibited before the child turns 18. You act only as the custodian. Rule number 2. When your child turns 18, the account automatically transitions to operate under traditional IRA rules. At that point, they can make penalty-free withdrawals for massive life events like college tuition, a home, or a business. Just keep in mind, because it functions as a traditional IRA, ordinary income taxes will still apply to the funds withdrawn. Critics point out this system heavily favors wealthier families who can actually afford to max out the $5,000 yearly limit. But even if you can't contribute a single dime of your own money, you still need to claim the initial $1,000. So here is your action plan. You can go directly to the official government website at trumpaccounts.gov. Alternatively, you can download the official Trump Accounts app, securely developed by the Bank of New York Mellon. To officially establish the account, parents or guardians simply need to file IRS Form 4547 directly online. Once succeeded on the app, it is completely ready to receive the government seed money and any extra contributions. If you are an expecting parent, it's even easier. The Social Security Administration updated the Enumeration at Birth program. When filling out paperwork for your newborn Social Security card at the hospital, you automatically get enrolled right there. Also, as a bonus, kids born in 2026 will receive a special Freedom 250 commemorative Social Security card. Do not wait on this. Millions of families are already setting their kids up for a massive financial head start. Please share this video with every parent, grandparent, or expecting couple you know. Leave a comment if you're claiming yours today. Hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step financial deep dives, and I'll see you guys in the next video.